Hey there! Are you ready to revolutionize your lunchtime experience? Tired of cold lunches and those never-ending lines for the microwave at work? We've all been there, waiting impatiently as the minutes tick by, only to end up with a lukewarm meal. Say hello to the electric lunchbox, your ultimate solution for hot, healthy meals on the go. Check this out. Imagine never having to settle for a cold sandwich or a soggy salad again. Our electric lunchbox features a sleek design with a 3-compartment stainless steel tray. It's not just about looks, it's about functionality and convenience. Perfect for keeping your entree and sides separate and delicious. No more mixing of flavors or soggy messes. Using it is a breeze. You don't need to be a tech wizard to figure it out. Simply pop your pre-cooked meal into the tray, slide it into the lunchbox and plug it in. That's it. No complicated settings or buttons to press. Your meal will be hot and ready in no time. And guess what? It's versatile too. Whether you're craving a hot soup, a hearty stew or a simple rice and veggie combo, this lunchbox has got you covered. With both 12V and 120V adapters, you can use it in your car, at work or anywhere you need a hot meal. Imagine enjoying a hot meal during a road trip or at your desk without any hassle. Safety and convenience are key. Our lunchbox is designed with your safety in mind, featuring overheat protection and a secure locking mechanism. Our lunchbox is leak-proof, comes with an insulated carry bag and even has built-in storage for your utensils and phone. How cool is that? No more worrying about spills or carrying multiple bags. Need your meal hot in a jiffy? No problem. Whether you're running late in the morning or need a quick lunch break, this lunchbox has got you covered. Our rapid heating system will get your food to the perfect temperature quickly and safely. You'll never have to wait long for a hot meal again. No more waiting around or dealing with cold lunches. Enjoy a hot, satisfying meal whenever you want. Eating healthy has never been easier. Prepare your meals at home, knowing exactly what ingredients are going into your food. Enjoy home-cooked meals wherever you are and feel good about reducing your reliance on fast food and single-use plastics. It's a win for your health and the environment. But don't just take my word for it. Hear it from those who've experienced the difference. Here's what some of our satisfied customers have to say. And insert customer testimonials. They've transformed their lunch breaks, and you can too. Ready to upgrade your lunch game? Imagine the envy of your co-workers as you enjoy a steaming hot meal while they wait in line for the microwave. Get your electric lunchbox today and start enjoying hot, healthy meals anywhere, anytime. It's just a click away. Visit our website or store now. Don't miss out on this game-changing product. The electric lunchbox, your key to a hotter, healthier lunch. Make every meal a delight. Thanks for watching and happy eating. Enjoy your meals like never before.